Uh, let's start with what is funnels. What is funnels? Yes, do we know that? So people might be heard and may not be heard, but in internet marketing industry, so people always hearing somewhere. So we need to create a funnel. So we need a proper funnel to sell this product, to launch a product, to get the leads or something. So people always talk about funnels. What is it? It's funnels. Funnels is where the magic is an online business happens. Funnels is where the magic happens in online business. With the help of funnel, you can do magics in your online business. But before we move ahead, in case if you are new to industry, and what is the funnel? Well, it's pretty simple to understand. When visitors visit your page or landed on your website or any landing page, so you obviously want them to take certain actions, right? For example, most like it to make a purchase, to sign up, to fill a form, to enter these details, to click on particular button, something like that. When they do know that kind of action, they do take that kind of action, then we call it as a conversion. That's it. See, funnel is a set of steps. Funnel is a set of steps if a visitor to go through before they can reach conversion. So for example, if a visitor going to purchase your product, he first landed to your page, then he'll know more about your product, what exactly it does and how it can help for your products. Then if he is interested, then he'll click on the buy button, then you make a sale. The whole process. So this entire steps is, we call it as a funnel. So now today we are talking about Funnelio. So let's explain what is funnel. So this is a platform where you can create multiple and n number of funnels with the lowest price within no time. Within just 3 clicks you can create your funnel, and you can save your time and you can save your money, and you can attract your customers in different ways. So this funnel helps you clone with any funnel in just 3 clicks. You can create an unlimited landing pages, and you can build any page importer. It's one click share, clone, publish, delete and edit. You can do it with one click. And if you are a local business guy, you need an urgent website and funnels. And Funnelio, a really easy way to deliver these without investing any expensive builder or solution. So for small business who don't have proper knowledge of creating a funnels, don't worry, this will help you. It's an easy way. Okay, before we dig into live demo of the Funnelio, so let's check what exactly Funnelio is offering. So as we said, within just 3 clicks you can do that. And also the website is comparing what if you use Canva. Canva is a well-known image editor platform. So if you want to use a Canva for your building the funnel, how things will be. So whenever you visit the website,
imagine in just a few minutes you will be able to clear and edit any funnel.
So you can see the information into the website when you're landing this page. So as we told, this Funnelio is proven and it's developed by the expert marketers. So what are the things you expect? You can expect it's buzzing very fast, built-in checkout and reporting system, 160 done for you more design pages, With a one click, share, clone and publish. Create unlimited funnels and pages. Built-in product delivery system, built-in page importer and full web page. So it might be, if you are a newbie or you are also already in a 7-figure marketers, it's for you. So the people who already using it and they loved it. So you can see that now. And he's the Neil Naiper, he's the creator of Funnelio. So he created 4 million sales in JVS alone. So his product sold around 100,000 units. So he generated this much of income, 7 million in 7 years. So this is all the pretty information. So whenever you land it in the website, you can see. So this is very fast, reliable, affordable and future proof. So you can check all these details in whenever you land it into this page. So creating this funnel, you just need to follow these 3 steps. Pick a template, import a page or create it from scratch, customize based on your needs, and hit publish to go live. Quickly create page imports, built-in checkouts, handheld and board, blah 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 blah. These are features we can get it. So there's also happy customers who return about the product, who are using, and they are very much satisfied. So as they are saying, this is fast and easy, elegant and practical. Track and grow and build it for unlimited profits. So we can find pre-loaded 200 plus. You can track. So these are the examples. So okay, fine. So these are pretty information. Whenever you will learn it, you can find it. So what exactly you want to look into it? You want the demo. So let's go to demo. I just logged into this Funnela website. So we already created the 25 plus funnels. So before we check into that, let's create a new funnel. So what do you say? Let's go. Right. So I'm just clicked on creating a new funnel. See, we can see we need to just follow 4 steps. First one, funnel type. Which funnel type you want to use. The second step, customize funnel. So you want to customize your funnel the way you want. Funnel templates. So the already pre-built templates are there. Choose one. Boom. Next, after selecting these two, build your funnel. So here in funnel type, they are offering sales funnel, lead generation, product launch, webinar funnel, custom funnel, and import funnel from Cubic. You can import funnel from any other source. So these are the 6 options they are providing. Sales funnel, people who are into business and they want to sell their products in online industry, so they can use the sales funnel. So people who want to content marketing or digital marketing industry, so they want to leads, so to target customers and so they can use this. Whoever want to launch their product, this will be helpful for them, and who are conducting webinars and generating leads, and then after want to sell their product, this will be useful. You don't want to use these 4 apps, you want to use something in your mind, then it will be useful for you. It's already pre-built, you can upload here and do the customization. So I just want to select the product launch. Let's try. I just clicked on next. So here they are asking to provide us 6. Whenever you click on, basically they are providing 6 pages. If you want, you can add more. So let's go with only for 6 for now. So you can see here different kind of pages. Sales page, webinar registration page, webinar replay page, landing page, sales page. Whenever pre-sale, before you selling anything, you just providing a knowledge, sharing a knowledge about the product. Then sales page will help you to complete deeper what exactly the product. So webinar registration, webinar replay, these are different pages. So we added by default, this funnel is suggesting these kind of, you want, can customize and you can choose the order. So it's a simple and drag and drop, or if you want, this, you can do this. You selected, but if you want to, after checkout pages will be here, then after you want to say thank you to the people, then like this, you can do this. Okay, we done this step. So I just want to go to next now. So they are providing different kind of templates. I just want to choose now Keto Diet. Let's select this, and you can also preview. Before you want to select and click on next, you can also select whichever you want to choose and you want to go further. You can choose and watch a demo. So how it will be here. Sorry, it will take some time to load. So adjust the Keto Diet. Next. So we need to provide a name. So I just created as a demo. We are doing that. Slack name. So it will be appear here. See, demo. So you can write it here, product name, product A. So let's focus with the product A. We are selling a product A. I write it as product A. Then create funnel. The product is successfully created and is being published. This can take few seconds up to a few minutes, depending on the queue. See, if you already plenty of funnels created at the same time, then depends on that, it may take few seconds to few minutes. So our funnel is loading now. So we can see here now the Keto Diet when we selected the preview of this one. See here they've written this one about the product. If you want to start here now, they provided the button. So it's about the people who are used. Then you can write the testimony here, and you can write the futures. These are editable. You can edit. You can change the content and all. See, yes, our page is loading now. Just wait a moment. Once it's loaded, we can see the clear picture of this one. Yes, so it's loaded now. See, the same Keto page, whatever they provided, it's a live page, demo purpose. So here you can add whatever you want. So if you want any logo, we can add. So logo here, any templates, and if you have any free gallery. So I'm just using this as a logo. Just you don't need any technical skills or something. You just know how to operate a computer basically. Based on that, just get it and use it. So it's already there. They also mention if you want to enlarge, you can enlarge. The picture quality is good. However you can't, you can represent it. You will find the way. So you can easy way. Easy way to create funnel. That's it. See, it's already overactivated. So what we'll do? We will reduce here heading 1, heading 2. It's heading 1. So you can do that. So you can drag and drop at this button. If you hold them, see, just write it down. If you want to change the image, replace it with anything. So after you did this one, you can see here preview. So finally, after you done editing, so you can check your funnel page, how it will be appear to your end users. So you can check before you publish it into the market. So you can check here how it's gonna work. See, this is how the page will be. So I'm not read it properly, just one showing the demo purpose. So I'm using it how it's gonna work. So you can see all the plenty of information. So how all this will be useful. This will be here. So if you're using the computer, so if you're using a laptop, if you're using the tablet, how your funnel will be, page will be. If you're using a mobile, so you can test and check, and based on it you can see. So these are sales page. One is pre-sales page, up-sales page, down-sales page, thank you page. So those are all you can see, and you can check that. So if you go, I clicked and publish. So what will happen after publish? You are right? Yes. After publishing, it will go to live. Just give me a second. It's going to live on this one. We are publishing it. See how this page will be. So all the information you can see here. Yes, when this page is published. See, the page is published here. If people go and access, that's it. That's how it's gonna work for this. So it's easy. It's easy. So within a simple steps, if your content ready and images ready with you, just don't know how you want to create a design. You want to acquire a designer and you need to guide them. I want this way, that way, blah blah blah. He'll always tell you. So you need to explain everything to him, and sometimes he may understand, sometimes he may not. That's how it will be. It's easy and simple, and you can easily create the funnels within a few minutes, few seconds to few minutes. We've already seen, right? I didn't take much time to create this funnel. The same way, even very first to this website, when I brought this and I'm using it, I don't see any difficulty into it. So I recommend it. If you very much know internet marketing guy, or you need to create more funnels and you want to create a funnels for your customers or something, it's a best platform for you, and it's a one-time fee also. And I written a blog on this one, so you can know more about read about complete the review, how it's gonna work, for whom it will be helpful. So all the details you can find here, and can get also 10% of discount. So you can see the creators and steps here. So what are the features? Why you want to buy the funnel? So also we can also check the comparison here. So what are the pros and cons if you want to use this? And this funnel is a very best for not whether if you have any frequent asked questions. So all the details also you can find here. And one more thing, so bonus. If you are interested and into this product, and if you want to buy, so I have a special link. If you buy this from my link, you will get a free bonus. Yes, it's a free bonus. So the free bonus can know plenty of bonuses. Very huge bonuses you can see there. See, bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3, bonus 4, 5, 6, 7. It's all related to your marketing industry. YouTube creator, YouTube rank analyzer, WordPress, ebook maximizer, Storms, so many. List building, so underground traffic source, viral article producer, so videos for profit box, different softwares, and I'm giving it free. If you're really interested in this product and you want to buy, so I provided a link in the description. You can check the complete details of this website, and I provided a specific link into that, so you can go there and check. If you have any questions